Alright, so I'm just going to do a couple little maintenance things that I noticed. It doesn't fall into any particular category. One is I broke the radiator drain plug. I over tightened it. In any case, it was this thing. And the previous owner or the mechanic had put a lot of that silicone crap rather than replacing it, so I didn't really mind that I broke it because I knew it needed to be replaced. This is the new part, which is kind of interesting. I never thought it would be like this, but it is. There's like a little hook. I think it's supposed to just hang there, so once I install it, it's gonna just hang there. There's an O-ring right there, and there's this interesting type of, I don't know, locking type gasket, I guess. In any case, I'm gonna install that. These O-rings, I think I got two different sizes just because I wasn't sure which one was the correct one, but there's a radiator drain plug on the engine that I'm planning on putting these crush washers on, because I could tell the previous owner had done something there, because there's the same type of red silicone goop on there, so I wanted to replace that. So that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, now this is that, I think, radiator, or not radiator, but coolant drain plug right here. Do you see that crap? I can tell this previous owner, mechanic, was here, so I'm going to loosen that. Hopefully it won't ooze out too much, and then replace the crush washer. Ah, shit. That's what that looks like.